Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Mario on PC. First, you'll need an emulator, which is software that mimics a game console. For example, Project 64 is excellent for Nintendo 64 titles. Make sure your computer has enough processing power and memory to run the emulator smoothly. This setup lets your PC act just like the original console, bringing classic games to your desktop. Next, you'll need the game file itself, known as a ROM. These are digital versions of the original game cartridges. While many sites offer ROMs, it's generally recommended to only download games you already own physically. A quick online search for Super Mario ROMs for your specific console, like Nintendo 64, will point you in the right direction. Once you have your emulator and ROM, it's time to set things up. Download and install the emulator software onto your PC. After installation, open the emulator and use its menu to load the Super Mario ROM file you downloaded. Then, go into the settings to map your keyboard controls or connect a game controller for a more authentic experience. To get the best experience, fine-tune your emulator's video and audio settings. Experiment with different resolutions and filters to find what looks best on your screen. Always remember to save your game progress regularly within the emulator, as you would on a console. And hey, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's Black Ice. Check the description below for a link to that and other great deals. Enjoy your classic Super Mario adventures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.